Hello, my name is Melanie Mitchell, and I'm a graduate student pursuing a Master's of Science in Chemistry, and my WMU signature pathway is leadership. As I've been exploring and discovering what it is that I'm truly passionate about, I noticed that I'm drawn to various topics. However, the leadership topic has remained of interest to me. I've noticed over the years that I really do like to lead rather than follow, and I've also received comments on my leader-type personality. I'm passionate about improving my leadership skills so that I can be a leader in future projects and in my career. For my peak experience, I founded a group on campus called the COVID-19 Student Coalition. It is a student group that initially just started with me and the idea to actively be a part in keeping campus open and safe for students during the time of COVID. This group is entirely student-led, which makes it unique because most COVID efforts are led by administrators, faculty, and staff on other campuses. I noticed that without student involvement, the efforts from administrators can be rather limited. I'm currently acting as the coordinator of the coalition, and the group has 2 co-chairs as well. As coordinator, I am responsible for holding regular coalition meetings, delegating projects to committees, solving problems that arise in those committees, and acting as a liaison between the faculty advisors and coalition members. This project is directly connected to my WMU experience because this coalition is composed of WMU students and it is benefiting the WMU community. At the beginning of the semester, I was worried that campus would shut down rather quickly, and I wouldn't be able to conduct my research in the lab that I work in as a graduate student. To try and combat that, I took the initiative in starting a group that would encourage peer-to-peer education and try to reduce the risk of campus shutting back down. In terms of my academic work, being the founder and coordinator of a student-led group has given me vast experience in presentation, organization, delegation, and leadership tactics. These tangible skills will be very useful when it's time for me to present my master's thesis and go on in my career as a scientist. This peak project has allowed me to display my passion of actively engaging others in a process to accomplish a goal. Being a founder and leader of this group has given me the chance to demonstrate my leadership skills. The group regularly brainstorms new ideas on how we can protect WMU students on and off campus. One of our most recent projects that is underway is our grocery project. We noticed that there is a need for WMU students to be able to get food while they are isolating if they or their roommates test positive for COVID. As a leader, I have laid out a plan for how each committee of the coalition can work on this project together. For instance, the Projects and Events Committee has been working on the logistics of organizing volunteer pickups, and the Social Media Committee is designing content that will share how students can get groceries delivered to them if they are stuck isolating. When committees reach a roadblock, they can come to me and the other members of the leadership team, and we can help solve the problem to move the project forward. The COVID-19 Student Coalition has had an immense impact on myself and the WMU community. Our work has been recognized by WMU News, WWMT, Fox 17, and MLive. The medical director of Michigan's Health and Human Services Department has even given us a shout out, along with other faculty and staff of WMU. Most recently, we've presented our work to the Board of Trustees. I'm very grateful for what this group has become and the opportunities and challenges it's given me. I've made new friends, connected with different faculty, improved my presentation skills, and learned a whole lot about successful leadership and actively engaging others. Students who are members of the coalition have commented on how they've gained an interest in public health and have also enjoyed holding leadership positions within their applicable committees. The students of WMU that are not in the coalition have benefited from our work as well, and the downward trend of positive COVID cases on campus prior to Halloween is one of the ways that we've been able to justify that. Most of our coalition members are also contact tracers, so we reach out to students that do test positive and try to backtrack their contacts to prevent more positive cases on campus. Overall, I'm thankful for WMU Signature and the students and faculty that have supported my Leadership Peak project. Thank you.